Welcome to the guitar demo at Cisco Live. My name is Erika Franco. I'm the Solution Manager for Manufacturing in Industrial IoT. And here we are tuning some guitars automatically and checking for defects. This is all possible because we are providing connectivity with industrial switching that has security built in and observability with the Splunk. And our customers will have hundreds of these deployments, even thousands in the factories. So we give them Cisco Validated Designs so you can deploy this with confidence, reducing risk. We just launched three new CVDs. The first one is in virtualizing manufacturing applications. So we are providing connectivity to data centers, providing the network guarantees. The second one is machine vision in a converged network. How can you connect these cameras to inspect defects without introducing downtime? And the third one will allow you to provide access to OT, to Catalyst Center, so they can use Catalyst Center for managing and providing assurance for them, but only with the granular permissions that they need. Thank you.